Alright, today we're going to be testing our lights on our Govee Pro. But you want to plug them all in together, make sure there's no issues before you get up and start mounting everything. So we're going to unbox all these. Let's see how it goes. Alright, 1, 3, we got the 200-foot kit. We've got quite a few strands that we're going to be connecting to make sure they work. So, let's see here. Plug. It's inside the accessory box. I didn't bring the accessory box. Okay. Get this all wired up. Strand to strand. And then we will light this thing up and make sure that we have power and lights to everything. Two. Now I might speed this up on the video because this is gonna take a bit. It's just so exciting watching me plug things in. I know you're probably sitting there on the edge of your seat watching this. All right. Almost there. A few more and we will be ready to test. These ones are kind of nice because they got a waterproof seal, if you can see here, and they only go in one way so you can't get it all mixed up, so it's me proof. Alright. Just about done with all these. All right, now you can't see me off camera here, but I'm just getting our power cord. Now we're going to test this first. We're not going to put the module in, or drive module. So we're going to see what that does exactly in difference to with it. So, alright, so we're mounted up. Let me get this twisty tied undone and we'll plug it in and we'll test out these lights. Alright. Whew, we didn't even have to hit anything. And they are already twinkling. I think you can tell that. Now, looks like it's cycling through some of the colors. Now, what we did find, which we didn't find anywhere else in the instructions, is on the driver module, it does state right here, install behind the 5th string of lights. Now we'll try that too here in a moment and see what the difference does. But yeah, those are lightening up real nicely. I don't see any duds, and I think we will be ready to roll with installation coming up next. So I'm going to switch these off real quick, and we are going to test that module to see what exactly it will do. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's our 5th string. Undo this. Alright, here is our driver module. We'll plug that in and we will test out exactly. It didn't seem to stop the lights from working when we didn't have it. Maybe it'll do maybe something a little different. So, the module is in. Test this again. And we got light. With the driver module, instead of all the lights going on all at once, it looks as if it started to cycle through each strand. So powering up each strand separately instead of just plugging it in and have them all light up immediately. So I'm not the most technical savvy, so I'm not sure exactly if that is just to keep things more safe or what, but we shall find out in later videos when we start getting these mounted up on the house. And we are going to do a test run on one string, because we'd have not only straight soffits, we also have crooked soffits at an angle. So we're going to try and position these at a little different areas to see what has the best light coming out of them, and then we'll position them permanently and mount them up, and we'll see how it goes. So we'll see you on the next round.